Yes, ma'am. Is
We are
started.
loading.
Okay,
Started.
fine. Okay. So good morning once again.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Morning, Beta. So we are going to finish today lesson number 16, that is water. Okay?
And paper solve कराओ ना.
Yes, papers have said better, but I don't remember. You have done good, but I wanted the best. I
Ma'am, this
wanted
time
the
good marks
best.
now.
Hmm. This time
Okay,
good.
ma'am.
That's why, Sahil, I wanted you to talk to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Fine. So let's begin with chapter number 16, water, resources, natural resources. Yes, better start. We are
Ma'am,
about
I
to finish
read
this chapter today. Yes, better.
And paper solve कराओ ना.
water management. Most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away. The rainwater can
Okay,
be
there's a full
used
stop.
to recharge
Just a
the
moment. Is there a
groundwater.
full stop? Who is speaking?
Ali Riza
Ali Reza
Vasaya.
Vasaya.
Ali Rizwan. There's a full stop after away. You have to stop, isn't it?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Take care, better. Read it again.
This is referred to as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting. Many places in India an age-old practice of water storage and water recharge like the
Boundaries.
Ba- Bauris. Bauri was the traditional way of
Would be.
collecting water.
Okay, thank you. Now, what is water management? How do we conserve water? How do we manage using water? Because water we get from rainfall, it just flows away, it is wasted. Don't you think so?
Yes.
It floods
It
the
is listed.
road, yeah, it goes in the drain, it is wasted. What we can do? We can use it for recharging the groundwater because remember what we had talked about that
Yes.
this is the groundwater and if there is no rainfall then the groundwater recedes down. It becomes here. The groundwater is getting depleted. The groundwater is going down. So what do I do? We can use the rainwater to recharge the groundwater. Can we do that? By which method, beta? By seepage. Which method? Seepage.
Same
And what is the
page.
other name? Infiltration. What is the other name, beta?
Infiltration.
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 All of you understood? So if we allow the rainwater to go inside the ground, then and then only the groundwater will be recharged. You agree? Do you agree, beta?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now this is called as water harvesting. What it is called as? Water harvest. That means we are storing water for future or rainwater harvesting. Now, in old ancient India, kings used to make bowries. Kings, I'm talking about kings, not ordinary people. Kings used to make bowries to store water for future. Okay? This is an age-old practice, remember that. And this is a very old ways, very old methods of collecting rainwater. You understood? And this is called as rain harvesting. What it is called as? Rain harvesting. Any problem?
Rain harvesting.
Yes. Any problem?
No.
No.
Now in India, where do you get the maximum rainfall, beta? Can you see this northeast areas? The purple sites? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. These are the northeastern areas, Manipur, Nagaland. All these places get high rainfall. And here the coastal areas. Can you see this coastal area, beta? Which is this coast as? West Coast. What it is called as? West Coast. What is the other
West.
name? What is the other name? Konkan. Konkan. What is the other name, beta?
Konkan.
Konkan region.
Konkan.
Konkan region. Yes. Goa, near the Goa. Okay. So these are the places you get the maximum rainfall. Now we'll talk about Bowries. Please read.
The Bowries are also used today. There was the time when people forgot the importance of Bowries. Drip irrigation is a water-saving irrigation system. In this system, water falls on the roots of the plant drop by the help of pipes. We can also play
Important role.
an important role in saving of water. We should turn off taps while bathing,
Bathing.
and
Bathing.
brushing.
Beta, bathing it is. When I'm repeating it
Bathing.
again, still you don't improve. Why? If I say it once, then only you should do that. I'm saying twice, then also you don't. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why don't you correct yourself?
Bathing and brushing. We should map the floor
Mop.
instead
It is
of
mop.
washing.
It should mop.
We should mop the floor instead of washing. We should use a bucket instead of bathtub or shower for bathing.
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 It's not thing. It is ding. Okay?
Bathing.
Bathing. Fine. Good. Thank you. Now see over here. It's not that boundaries are not more in use. It is also used today. But people had forgotten the importance of boundaries. In some places in Gujarat, it has been used in Ahmedabad. Now, there's another system where you can use water in a proper manner, which is called as drip irrigation system. As the name suggests, the water is allowed to fall on the roots, only on the roots, drop by drop. How? Drop by drop. So there's no wastage of water. So I will be showing you in the later slide how does it look like. So
Yeah.
the usage of water is maximum. Also, you yourself, you being children, can also be a help to save water. How? First of all, whenever you're taking bath, okay, you don't have to keep on the tap. You can close the tap, but the bucket gets overfull, the water spills out, still the tap remains on. It should not be like that. Don't allow water to fall in the drain, isn't it? Secondly, when you are brushing your teeth, you keep the tap open. The water is going in the drain. Am I right? So when you are brushing, you can put off the tap. You can keep the tap closed, can't you? When you need water, then only you can turn on the tap, isn't it?
Yes.
Hello, boys, can you hear me? Yes? Okay. Now, instead of washing your floor, you can use the mop. You can use a rag of cloth and do the mopping instead of washing the floor. Also, by filling the bathtub, like the bathtub, when you fill it almost take around 10 to 15 buckets of water. That goes waste. We can take bath with the help of one bucket of water. I think you know that, right? So why to waste 10 or 15 buckets of water for a luxury? And if at all you want to have luxury, you can do it once a month. Hope you understand. Hope you
Yes.
understand. Yes, because it is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
required. Yes, it is not required.
Okay.
Okay. So I think we should use our logic. We should use our brain to save this natural resource. One day will come when we'll without water. One day it will come that we will be without water very soon. Then shower. If we take shower, obviously what is coming on your head is little and what is wasted is more. I hope you know that. So that also you should avoid. Instead, take bath by filling the buckets. Now, how can you conserve water? Let's see, please. Read better.
Conservation of water. We can save water by
Avoid wastage,
avoid wastage,
repair
repair
leaking
leaking
taps,
tap, water
and water the
water the
plants
plants.
with sprinkler. You can see the sprinkler.
Sprinkler.
Water the
Yes.
plants with sprinkler. Okay, fine. Now there's a leaking tap. Can you see this? The water is wasted. So you fit it up. You get it fitted. Water will not be wasted. It's a one way. And whenever you're watering the plant, use sprinklers. So less water will be used for watering the plant. Is it clear? Boys, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you have to think. Now this is what I want to talk to you about. This is the drip irrigation system. Can you see these pipelines?
Yes.
Yes, Beta. Can you see these pipelines? Now this is going to the root of the plant. It's going to the root of the plant. And here, drop by drop, the water is let out. Okay, drop by drop, the water is let out and it goes to the root of the plant. This is called as drip irrigation system. Any problem? Hello?
No.
Any problem?
No.
So all of you
No.
understood? All
Yes.
of you understood? So what are the other water saving practices? Please see.
Conservation of water. Water saving
Conservation.
practices.
Beta, it is conservation.
Conservation of water. Water saving practices are given below. Households can save water by promptly
Promptly.
promptly fixing leaks. Recycling of water is very important by improving the fields.
Rainwater harvesting.
Rainwater harvesting.
Harvesting. Okay. Now, what are the other water saving practices? First of all, in our households, for example, in kitchen or at home, we can save water by fixing the leaks. If at all there is a tap leakage, so we can fix the leaks. So water is not wasted. Secondly, we should recycle the water. When used water can be recycled for irrigation purpose and other things. Okay? By improving the seepage system in the field, that means the water should be absorbed by the ground. How can you improve the texture of the soil? By giving manure and by plowing the field, isn't it? And the last one is rainwater harvest. Don't allow rainwater to get wasted. This is how you harvest it. Can you see? You get from the roof. See, the roof water is
Yes.
collected. It is collected
Yes.
here and then it is stored here. From there it goes to the tank, isn't it? Hello? Yes, it goes to the tank.
Yes, ma'am.
From the tank, it gets collected here in the big tank. Can you see this?
Yes.
So it can be used in the future. Okay. So now we come to a close of today's chapter. This was the last slide. If you wish to ask me any question, you can. And then I will ask you questions regarding this chapter. Yes, boys.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes, I'm through this chapter, beta. We have completed this chapter number 16,
Yes.
Water and Natural Resources. If you wish to ask me any question, you can. That is what I want. I'm telling you. If you have any doubts, if you want to clarify, if you want to ask me any question, you can ask Beta.
मैम पहले से अच्छे मार्क है कि नहीं वो तो बोलो.
Beta, I
Yes,
think the
ma'am.
class is going on. You should know that. Secondly, I
Okay.
asked you that you can call me in the evening. Didn't I ask you, Beta? Why you are disturbing the class? Do you understand me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand what did I, if at all you want to ask
Yes.
me anything, you can ask me in the evening, not now. Okay? Okay, Beta? Thank you. Put off your mic. Someone's mic is on.
Kasim.
Ask him to put off his mic. Let's do the textual questions today. Give me true, false. So I just read out the question and then you have to let me know whether it is true or false. Water shortage, I will read it twice. So please be attentive. Understand what I am asking you. It's true, false. You have to let me know whether it's true or false. And don't be hasty. Think over and then only give me the answer. And all of you not together, you have to give me your name and then the answer. Water shortage is a problem faced only by people living in rural areas. I repeat, water shortage is a problem faced only by people living in rural areas.
मैम ट्रू और फॉल्स है.
Yes.
ट्रू.
So, what is the meaning of rural areas, beta?
गांव.
Village. So, only village people face the water shortage problem. We don't face water shortage problem.
No.
We don't
Sometimes.
face.
Sometimes.
I told you to think twice, didn't I tell you? If it's sometime, then also it comes in the water shortage problem. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So even we face water shortage problem. Got it? What did I say? Even we face water shortage problem. You understand? So the answer is false. Water from rivers is the only source for irrigation in the fields. Water from rivers is the only source for irrigation in the fields.
क्या?
Water source, water from rivers is the only source for irrigation in the fields. This is my question. What is your
False.
answer? It is false. What are the other water resources, beta?
Rivers, lakes.
Yes, very good. Very good. Rain is the ultimate source of water. Rain is the ultimate source of our water. What is the ultimate?
False.
Final source of water.
True.
It is true. Exactly. It is true. Because with water only, the rain only, everything is happening. Glaciers, icebergs, ice caps, lakes, ponds, rivers, seas, oceans, all are happening only with the help of rainwater, isn't it? Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
understand? The fresh water stored in the ground is much more than that present in the rivers and lakes of the world. I repeat, the fresh water stored in the ground is much more than present in the rivers and lakes of the world.
False.
It's true. It's true. Fresh water which is stored in the ground is more than what you get in rivers and lakes of the world. You understand now? We
Yes.
don't know how to use it up. Yeah, we don't know how to use it up. Okay, can you tell me how groundwater is recharged? I just taught you. Can you tell me how
Borewell
groundwater is
and wells.
recharged? Give me a proper answer with it. How you get groundwater recharged?
By rain.
Yes. Which is the process called as? Which is the process by which it gets recharged? Hello?
Don't
Can
know.
anyone? Infiltration, I taught you, beta. I taught you just now. And I've been teaching you since long. Which is this method called as seepage or infiltration. Didn't I teach you? Yes, boys? So from where it is happening? This infiltration, it means seeping of water from where? From rivers, lakes, into the empty spaces and cracks deep below the ground. And then the water table gets recharged. You understood?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay. Now I am asking you that you have to look after a garden. Okay? How can you use the water? And how can you decrease the usage
By
of water
using sprinkler.
in the garden? By using sprinkler. Okay. Anything else? It's a big garden better. Yeah, remember, it's a big garden. What else you can use? You said sprinkler. It's okay. But it's a big garden. What else you can use?
Bigger sprinkler.
Bigger sprinkler, that means it will be wastage of water.
मैम वो पाइप जैसा आता है वो रूट में सीधा जाता है.
Drip irrigation system. So which irrigation system that you will be talking about? Drip irrigation system. Okay?
Yes.
Fine. And you can make small pits also to collect rainwater. Can you do that?
क्या?
You can make small holes or pits in the garden to collect
Yes.
rainwater.
Yes.
Okay? And also you have to check the pipes that you are using for watering, that there should not be any leakage, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me the factors which are responsible for the depletion of water table. Which is the first factor, which is
The
making the
screen
water.
is black.
Oh, my screen's gone. Okay, just a moment. I was looking into the now. Is it okay?
Half.
Now?
Only a part of a screen.
Okay.
Now done. Done. Now okay.
Now is it okay, beta?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the factor? First factor for the depletion of water table is why water is going down. This is the first factor that you can talk about. Tell me. Can anyone beta? Why water table is going down? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Why water table is going down, beta? What is the
No,
reason?
no.
Population. I taught you. How come you do not know? Huh? First is increasing population, isn't it? Because the population is increasing day by day. So what is the demand? for making roads, houses, offices, shops. That is also increasing. So what happens? The open area like parks and playgrounds, gardens, it is decreasing. So when these open grounds are decreasing, so there is less seepage of water and the water table is going down. You understand? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And the second one is that industries are increasing. We know that industries, it requires water, isn't it? They need water. So number of human population is more, number of industries are more, so the consumption of water is also more. Understood? Did you understand?
Yes.
Third one is agricultural activities. Now, what is agricultural activities? Now, you know that India depends on agriculture, isn't it? India depends on agriculture. So, when the population is increasing, so the land that we are using for cultivation is also increasing. We know that for agriculture, water is consumed, and moreover, to add it up, we have irregular rainfall. Yes, so what we are depending on? Groundwater. So we depend on groundwater. So that increase the depletion of groundwater for irrigation purpose. Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Okay. And then lastly, that
The
we
last
are not storing water.
one.
The conservation methods are not much available in India, or we are not working on those aspects because we know that the main source of water on earth and on underground, any underground, is rain. You agree? The main source of water is rain. Do you agree? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So the rainwater, if we conserve it, it can increase the groundwater level. This also you agree?
Okay, ma'am.
But we are not using it. We are not using any techniques to increase the groundwater level. So we have to work on the conservation aspects. The techniques have to be developed to conserve water and to recharge the groundwater. Understood? Or the water table. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
All of you, beta? Okay, fine.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we do the
Bye.
fill in the blanks. Bye bye. Bye bye, beta. You want to leave? There's still 10
मैम
minutes.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आप जा रहे हो.
Nah, beta. Still 10 minutes are there. Now I'm going to ask you fill in the blanks. The process of water seepage into the ground is called, the process of water seepage into the ground is called what? What you will say? Hello?
Hello.
Say the process of
Yes, ma'am.
water seepage into the ground is called, what it is called? What is the name of terminology? What is seepage of water called?
Seepage of water mean seepage of water means rainwater comes down and
Yeah, what is this process called as? What is the name of it?
seepage
Yeah, what is the other name of it?
irrigation.
Yes, very good. Infiltration. What it is called as, beta?
Infiltration.
Infiltration. See, read with me. Infiltration. This is how you will write. Okay? This is infiltration. Very good, beta. Fine. Now, there are three forms of water. Which are these forms?
Solid, liquid, and water. No, solid,
Gas,
liquid,
gas,
and gas.
and gas. What is solid called as?
Solid, ice,
And snow. You have
snow,
to say
yes.
both better.
Or
Ice and snow. What is liquid called as?
ice caps.
Yes. What is liquid called as?
Water.
Water. What is gas called as?
H2O.
No. What is
Mama,
gas
water
called
vapor.
as?
Water vapor.
Water vapor. What is the other name of water vapor?
Evap.
What do you say? Just read what I'm writing.
Moisture, humidity.
Very good. Moisture, humidity. You got it, beta.
Yes.
Okay. Or some other is steam. What is the other word?
Yes, steam.
Steam. Okay. These are all in the form of gas. Water in the form of gas or water vapor, that is called as steam, moisture, humidity. Any problem?
No.
People obtain groundwater through. How do they get groundwater? Where do you get groundwater, beta? In the form of what?
With the help of borewells, wells,
Exactly. Very
etc.
good, very good. Borewell, hand pumps. Will it go?
Yes, hand pumps also.
Hand pumps, yes. So borewell, hand pumps, we get the groundwater. Very good, beta.
And well also.
Yes, well also. The water-bearing layer of the earth is what? The water-bearing layer of the earth is called? What it is called as? The water-bearing layer of the earth. Remember, I gave you one word. It
Ocean.
is called as, no, aquifer.
Aquifer.
Inside the, yes, now do you remember under the ground, beta?
Yes.
This is the layer which has got water in between the rocks. This is called as aquifer.
Yes.
What it
In
is
between
called?
bedrocks.
Yes. In between big rocks, the water gets accumulated. This is known as aquifer. So all of you understood this much?
Yes.
Okay. Now, which one of the following is not responsible for water shortage? Again, I repeat, which one of the following is not responsible for water shortage? First is rapid growth of industries. Second is increasing population. Third is heavy rainfall. Fourth is mismanagement of water resources.
High population.
Is not responsible for water shortage?
High population.
That is what I am saying. It is not. I am. See, please read the. Understand my question. I said which is not responsible for water shortage. High population is not responsible for
Okay,
water
ma'am.
shortage. That's why I'm asking you. You're the only one who is giving me the answer. And this is the problem that you have faced in the exam. You don't understand the question. You are always hasty. You are attempting the question very fast, and by doing so, you go wrong. So understand what question I have asked, and accordingly, please attempt. Why are you in hurry?
Okay, ma'am.
You understand?
Yes.
So what question I have asked? Not. It's not responsible for water. So the answer should be heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall is not responsible for water shortage, isn't it?
Yes.
So what should be the option? Heavy rainfall. Now you have to tell me whether these questions are true or false. The total water in the lakes and rivers of the world remains constant. The total water in the lakes and rivers of the world remains constant. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
asked a question better. The total water in the lakes and rivers of the world remains constant?
No.
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 The
Constant
total
means, ma'am.
water, No, it is not constant. Constant means regular. It does not increase, it does not decrease. The total water under the ground remains constant?
No.
No. The total water in the seas and oceans of the world remains constant?
No.
No. The total water of the world remains constant?
Yes.
You understood? It is yes. The
Yes.
total water of the world remains constant. I hope you have understood quite a lot regarding
Yes.
this chapter. What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Okay. Understood. What do you say? Understood.
Yes.
What is groundwater, by the way?
Groundwater is which is underground.
Which is underground.
Means when the rain comes and then the water goes inside. This process is called irrigation.
Exactly.
Or
No, it is not irrigation. No, it is not irrigation.
infiltration.
Infiltration. Sorry, it is infiltration. You are right. That forms groundwater, isn't it? So the rainwater or water from ponds, lakes, which seeps or percolate underground, and when it gets collected over the rocks, that is called as groundwater. You understood now?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me what is water table? What is water table? Hello?
I don't know.
Taught you and you are saying you don't know. Can
What,
anyone
ma'am?
try? What is water table? Groundwater forms water table, isn't it? Now this is
Yes.
groundwater. This upper portion is called as water table. That's it. The upper limit of underground water is called as water table. That's it. Do you understand? I told you if I make a dig a well, this is the water table. That means the upper layer. And if the next year, if I see, I will find it over here. So that means it has gone down, isn't it? So the upper layer of the groundwater is called as water table. Simple. What do you say? Boys,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
hope you have understood this chapter well. Yes? Do you have any
Yes.
problem regarding this
Yes.
chapter?
No.
Do you have any problem regarding this chapter, beta?
No, ma'am. No, no.
No problem.
Fine. Then we are through this chapter. I will be giving you the question answers in the evening
Okay.
along with the LQs. Now, please write it down in 2 days.
Okay,
And show it to
ma'am.
your show it to your